Hi, I'm Quinn Clare, product manager here at Symetrix. And this year at ISE, we are very proud to announce the release of Cognio. Cognio is our new platform designed around scalability and distributed processing. Distributed processing is this idea that I have many smart nodes, smart devices, that each one is able to take what traditionally we think of as a DSP or a control node and distribute that processing into devices like a touchscreen or an audio endpoint. So by having every device be smart, every device can be the center of an installation, we're able to distribute the way that we do processing. So in Cognio, traditionally, whenever you think of processing on a piece of hardware, you think of individual functions, like USB is running on a specific chip, or AEC is running on a different type of chip. In Cognio, we use software to scale projects. So something like a touchscreen is running a software version of Dante and a software version of AEC. So with all of our devices, we have the ability to have any one of those software features included. We could have something like an XLR input. It doesn't necessarily need a USB input, but through software, we have the ability to add that type of capability to a device like that. If you want to learn more about Symetrix and the Cognio platform, you can swing by our booth, or you can check us out at the Symetrix website. That's symetrix.co.